Hello. I'm back again like I never left. Always here with you guys. I hope you're all good. I'm Jennifer. My name is Jennifer and this is PrepClass. And we are your best learning partners out there. You can bet on that. So this is still on the Jsce, by the way. Still on the Jsce past questions, English language past questions. We just have to continue straight up from where we stopped. But before then, join us on WhatsApp at bit.ly/PrepClassWhatsApp. Alright, so we're on WhatsApp now, and you can chat us straight up on WhatsApp, and be sure to have someone to respond to you, and of course to your educational concerns, all your educational concerns. All right, so don't forget to like and comment. All right, like and comment, like our channel and comment. Tell us the things that you want us to know, or the things that are of utmost concerns academically utmost concerns to you. Okay, things that are academically of utmost concern to you. All right, so we're here to listen to you and to provide you with the best of the best of the best learning experience. Like I always say, don't forget to comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so straight up to where we should continue. The instruction here says, from the options lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same vowel or consonant sounds as the one represented in the letters underlined. So just like the last learning session, we continue from here. So our 81st question, yes, king. Okay, a king. All right, so A, loan, B, manner, C, rinse, and D, plank. Okay, so which word has the same sound as king? So that's the sound, sound. And the sound in king can also be found in plank, okay? Plank, all right? So the sound in king can also be found in plank. All right, so king and plank share the same consonant sounds. That's the sound. And so we have plank as our man. Option D, plank. Our 82nd question, Nash. A, rope, B, sing, C, student, and D, gang. So, which is it? The sound in Nash can also be found in student. Right, can also be found in student, and that's the sound in student. So we have it option C. Okay, so our 83rd question, future, future, and that's the ch sound, future, future. So A, show, B, catch, C, nation, and D, tension. So which is it? The ch sound, that's future, future. The ch sound in future can also be found in catch, right? Catch. And so catch and future share the same ch consonant sound. Alright, so we have it, option B, catch. So man, that is it. So our 84th question, sport. Sport, you love sports? Yes, sport. So for the R sound in sports, let's see. A, coat. That's coat. Coat. Alright, that's A, coat. B, bot, C, spoil, and D, dog. Which is it? So sport is board. Okay, so the R sound in sport can also be found in board. So we have it, option B, board. Alright, so on to our 85th question. Chair. A, shore, B, lawyer, C, teacher, and D, character. So chair, that's the ch sound, can also be found in teacher. Okay, so it is teacher, ch, teacher, and we have it, ch. Alright, so our answer is option C, teacher. Alright, so with that, we've come to the end of this speech work speech work learning session. I hope you understood and learned something. I know this sounds, like I always say, very confusing, but with continual practice and with the aid of a dictionaries, you are sure going to conquer and master these sounds just like the native speaker of the English language. Alright, so don't forget to reach out to us via website or telephone numbers, WhatsApp, the PrepClass app, just everything, everywhere, all around you. Don't forget, and we love you. Take care and bye.